Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming to my presentation. My name is Youngin Hwang, and I'm majoring in global media. Have you ever heard about the spillover effect? Today's presentation's purpose is to tell you about the three aspects that are actually impacted by the spillover effect. This is today's outline. First, I will tell you about the public health. Next, the environmental sustainability. And finally, the economic stability. Before I start, let me first tell you about what is actually spillover effect. Spillover effect is when an action from one area spread to others, like some maybe parts when when actions from one country spread to the world. The first aspects that are actually influenced by the spillover effect is the public health. This happens when health problems from one country spread to others. The prime example is COVID-19. It's a disease which organized in one place and spread to others. As you know, and as everyone experienced, COVID-19 started at China and spread to all over the world and killed tons of people. This was my first point, the public health, and next I would go to my second point, the environmental sustainability. Environmental sustainability is one of the parts that are influenced by the spillover effects too. Environmental spillovers happens when some actions from one place impacts the environment elsewhere. For example, like cutting the trees, or maybe not recycling, or using too much plastic could be an example. Almost every actions on your daily lives can actually be environmental sustainability because it could impact the other environments elsewhere, so you should be careful. And this was my second point, and next I would go to my final point, but the most important point, the economic stability. This one happens when actions from one market or area influences the other market. Backus in 2005 said that the spending habits of other states impact our state's expenditure. So this means that maybe if our neighbor country, Japan, increase their expenditure for maybe $1, then actually we tend to also try to spend $1 more. So this is saying that it illustrates that actually if the neighbors actually give impact to our economy. So it's saying that the spillover effects actually are influencing the economic stability. To summarize, I told you about the three aspects that are influenced by the spillover effect. The first was public health, the next was environmental sustainability, and the final one was economic stability. If you have any interest to study about the world's flow or how the worlds are happening and what are going on, then I recommend you to actually study about this spillover effect. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. If there are no questions, then this is the end of my presentation. Thank you for listening.